If your front brake light switch isn't working like my front brake light switch isn't working, then stay tuned because we're going to show you how to fix that in this video. That's right, we're going to replace the front brake light switch on my 2018 Kawasaki Ninja H2. So here are the tools that we're going to need for this job. A flathead screwdriver, a 5mm Allen socket or Allen wrench, any ratchet to go with it, and a stubby #2 Phillips head screwdriver. Oh yes, and we're also going to need the switch itself. So if you don't know what the front brake light switch part number is, here it is. I'll also attach a link in the description below with this part number. But that's the stuff we need to get started, so now let's get started. Okay, so we're going to locate where the switch is and where it actually plugs in at. So the switch is located right here underneath the front brake master cylinder, and it's secured with just a Phillips head screw, just one of them. And then if you follow that wire down, it comes up to right inside, point with my screwdriver here, it's right there. So that's where the front brake light switch plugs in at. Now all we're going to do is we're just going to push up. So I'm just going to push directly up because that's hooked onto a metal clip there. So you push up on it. So pushing up on that released the switch. Now I just have to fish it out of there. All right, so there is the front brake light connector plug there. And all I have to do is push down on this tab here, and then that'll release that connector. And then I'm just going to take this wire out of there. All right, so this is one of the clips that you have to undo here. And the way you do it is really simple. You just get your screwdriver under this end here and lift up on it. And it should almost come apart pretty easy. So once that's apart, you pull that out, and then we can continue to fish our old wire out of there. That, and then these are very easy to release. You just take this and pull it over the little button there. So that slotted piece just sits around that little button there. And then that wire is almost the whole way out. All right, so the old switch is out, and I actually set it on the seat here. It looks like there was some water inside this wire loom here. So I wonder if maybe water caused the switch to go bad. Who knows? But yeah, you can see I'm shaking it and there's water coming out of there. So maybe be careful washing your bike. Or, I mean, I guess you ride it in the rain, so I don't know. Looks like it collects water inside there. I wonder if this is actually a problem with these. I'm going to put the new one on. We'll see how long that one lasts, I guess. The only thing that I caution you with this is when you put the switch on, there is a locating pin. You can see it sticking up right there. And there is going to be, let me see if I can get it on camera. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. So the easiest way I found to do this install is just take that 5mm Allen, remove these two bolts that secure the front master cylinder on there. And then when you have it off, just kind of move it out of the way a little bit there. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the locating pin, this, here. So there's a little locating pin, and the switch is going to go in this way here. So you got this little locating pin, and then this screw hole here. So the locating pin is going to sit right in here. I'm trying to get a screwdriver so I can point with it. So that locating pin's going to sit right in here. And then the screw is going to go right here and secure it. Make sure that you have that locating pin set in there, or else the brake switch will not work properly. So locating pin there, screw there. So that's what the brake light switch should look like when it's installed. There are no gaps. And you can hear the switch clicking. All right. Screw is tight. There are no gaps in here between the switch and the actual housing of the master cylinder there. So that's installed. I'm going to button everything up, run the wires, and then this will be done. All right, so this is how we routed it. Switch is in. Ran the wires down here, secured them to that brake line. Ran them around back of the fork. Secured them back down here again, up through that clip, and then locked it back in place right up in here. So, switch is installed. It now works. Job well done. So it's not too terrible a replacement. Like I said, that water inside there kind of has me worried. We'll see how long this switch lasts. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've had to replace your front brake switch on your bike more than one time, or if maybe this is the first time you're doing it. Let me know if this video was helpful. And as always, if you have any questions on the H2 as far as any how-to stuff you want to see, I don't mind doing stuff like that. I currently have the bike while I'm telling you in this video, so as long as I still have the bike, I'm willing to do almost any type of repair on the bike and show you guys how to do it. So thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you in the next video, guys. I'm Matt. This is MotoWorks.
That looks like Johnny Eaton over on the right-hand side. I'm not sure whether it is or it's Matt Molnar, according to the...
Molnar.